Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You will begin by confirming two essentials. The Instagram app and your device OS are up to date, and a third-party keyboard isn't interfering. First, open the App Store or Play Store and install any pending Instagram updates. This resolves emoji mapping bugs at the source. Then, switch to the default system keyboard, because custom keyboards often send unsupported glyphs as boxes. Once done, clear your clipboard and force close Instagram, so changes take effect immediately. Now you'll replace the broken mapping that shows boxes instead of emoji. Open any Instagram text field and use the native emoji panel. If emojis display correctly there, the issue was your keyboard. If boxes persist, uninstall and reinstall Instagram to refresh its emoji assets, then restart your device to reload fonts. If your OS lacks recent emoji, enable the system emoji font or install the recommended emoji pack. This ensures Instagram finish by logging out of Instagram and signing back in. This refreshes sync settings and clears cached display rules. Then test emoji in DMs, captions, and story stickers to confirm the fix across features. If you still see boxes, toggle your phone's language settings or reset keyboard settings to default, because font fallback varies by locale. One troubleshooting tip: if nothing fixes it, test the account on another device if emojis render there. The problem is local to your device, not Instagram.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.